is up, YouTube? It's your boy Davo coming to y'all boys with another YouTube video, man. And in today's video, I will be giving y'all a whole POV with my welds. I just put them on like 2 days ago, so I know I haven't given y'all a POV in a minute, but hey, I'm back in that mode, man. I'm back in that motherfucking mode. So just hit that subscribe button. More POVs to come. I know y'all love the POVs. I just been giving y'all real content, gang. Not just quick little POVs that I could just pull out the phone and freaking record. That's fake content to me, but I know y'all been loving them, so. Look at my hood. My hood always dirty, man. First POV with the welds. This traffic like a, why is there so much traffic going towards Indiana, bro? Usually be traffic going towards downtown, bro. Really gotta test out how these motherfuckers coming. These motherfuckers driving so damn slow. Hey, it's crazy, cause now that I'm thinking, I probably did though, but I never do freaking daytime POV. Every POV that I ever did was at nighttime, bro. What type of car is that? Y'all see that green car? Aston Martin? That's what it looked like. Who fucking cares? That's another thing too that I noticed about y'all boys. Y'all don't care about no other cars but freaking SRTs and freaking kitties, bro. I could post lambs and all type of shit on this channel. Y'all don't give a fuck. There's so much traffic. Oh my God. I can't even get a good POV. It's so much motherfucking traffic. I'm gonna crash out, bro. POV send my ass in traffic. Is that what this motherfucking POV about to be or something? Me just in straight traffic? So this is what this POV is coming to. Me driving on a motherfucking edge. I ain't on that type of timing though, man. I'm taking my damn son. Really, I'm meeting my son at the freaking fest. I don't know if I told y'all that, but I'm meeting my son at the fest right now. So we ain't on that type of time today. I ain't going too stupid. I ain't finna be driving on the damn edge the whole time, but we should have a decent time. And I ain't trying to get locked up in the meantime. I didn't even grab my freaking hoodie, bro. Bro, I was too worried about getting my son his freaking blanket. I really want to see how these joints is from a dig. Oh, pushing that motherfucking semi-truck. What am I doing, folks? Oh! Alright, we're finna get off the UA. I low-key wanna launch this motherfucker or something. I should've went to freaking Doty. Not right now though, obviously, because I got somewhere to be, but in this video, I might go to Doty. You never know. I might put that before this. I might go to Doty and do some fucking launches in the beginning of this video. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it just for y'all. Because I live not that far from Doty, bro. So that's what we gonna do. Damn. I thought that was a damn house. That's a business. We ain't get no copyright, shorty. But he say, something says, doing the most on bitty. Y'all, my tire light finally came on, bro. It ain't come on for dang near 2 days, bro. As y'all can see, cause I got on the freaking wheels and I got TPMS sensors in the back. I bought them from Facebook Marketplace mounted, bro. They was already mounted. Like, shoot, maybe I would have did it if I ain't already buy these joints mounted. But I'm like, bro, hell no, fuck it. I'm gonna just run them.
A few moments later.
Video off now. All right, y'all. So first we gonna do a pull without me burning out. Y'all can see the fucking wheels on. I think they finna just come out here and start fucking racing, but I ain't know nothing, bro. Yeah, shit, now we finna burn these motherfuckers out. That was just a little test, just to see if I get a spin. But shit, y'all definitely heard that. So many cars over here, bro. They doing a whole bunch of nothing. Hey, I would be overly dogging this joint, but bro, I got on spacers, bro. I would be whipping this motherfucker around. Brand spanking new. Ooh, yeah, they sticky now. Y'all see my finger? His ass right motherfucker behind me. I don't know what the fuck is he doing. Holy shit. Hey, that time was way better. If I come to Doty, bro, and if I'm telling y'all ass that I'm doing a fucking video, I ain't come out here to fucking race 400 horsepower Audis and like, bro, I don't give a fuck if your shit all-wheel drive, bro. I ain't come out here to do no damn goofy shit. Like, what the fuck I look like racing a fucking random or anybody? A damn truck tried to race me. I'm like, bro, do you think I came out here to motherfucking race goofies? No. do this motherfucking video and get my ass on. But no, that second time, this bitch stuck. Alright, y'all, so back to the POV. I might put this in the beginning of the video. I don't know where I'm gonna put this at, but I gave y'all what I promised, man. I came to Dodie. I gave y'all 2 little ass. I would have really gave y'all more, bro, but I ain't expect nobody to freaking be here. But it is a damn Saturday, especially when they know who it is. Motherfucker, bro, race, bro. Come on, bro. Just race me. Shit, I tell everybody, bro. This ain't even a fucking race car, but hey, once I get a fucking M3 comp, I'm racing anybody and everybody. Because I'm putting my all into that bet. No cap. I'm putting everything that I got on the line. My fucking hands so sticky, I don't know what made me touch my tire. Doing anything for YouTube.